Welcome to this screencast all about how to use Google Drive with your Edmodo account. So right now I'm logged in as James, our fictional student, and I'm in his home screen. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to head over to the main group, which is Mr. Wood's class. These are subject groups down here, but I'm going to go into Mr. Wood's class. Then I'm going to click on, I'm in the group now. I can click on posts or members, but I'm going to click on folders because I have listed some resources there for students. So in folders there's how-to videos. These are how to use Edmodo videos. And then there's links. And links are common links that you're going to need and use throughout the year. So let's click on links. So I've got a link to Class Dojo, and I've got a link to Google Drive. So let's go ahead and click on Google Drive. So that'll take us to the Google Drive website, and you may need to log in. Once you log in, you probably won't have to do it again. So there's all my information there. I'm just going to click Sign In, and this takes me into Google Drive. This is the Google Drive's main page. Down here are my files, so I can click on these and I'll be able to see them. On the left side are some options and ways of organizing those files. At the top is a search bar, so I can search for files that I've created. I could type in here test, and it will find all the documents that have the word test. I can click to open them. So if I want to create a file, it's really easy. I just go to the left side here and I click on Create. It'll ask, do I want to create a folder, a document, a presentation, a spreadsheet, a form, or a drawing? I want to create a document, and that's what you'll be doing most of the time. So let's do that. So here we are in the document. So it looks a lot like Microsoft Office or WordPerfect. Right up here on the left is the name of my document, so I'm going to call it something. I'm going to call it reading assignment. Okay, so you notice that changes. So there are all kinds of options here. There's File, Edit, View. There are lots of these, and you can explore them. The important thing to keep in mind is this ribbon right here. This ribbon allows you to pick your font, the size of the font. It allows you to do text transformations like bold text, italicized, underline, give your text some color. You can also left justify your text, center it, put it on the right side. You can create bullets. So I'm going to show you some of these real quick. So I'm going to just type something really quickly here. List of books that I have read this year. So I'm going to list a couple of books. So I can do things here. I can select those pieces of text with my mouse. I can go up to the top here, it's left justified. I can center them by clicking this button. I can put them on the right side by pressing this button. But I like them on the left. So I can turn them into an organized list by clicking on bullets. So there's a numbered list, and then there are bullets. So numbered list does this. It gives the numbers 1 and 2. Or I can do bullets, which is kind of a neat effect. But I don't, well, actually I think I will leave those like that. So let's say I want to make the word, say the words this year. I want to really draw readers' attention to them, so I can make them bold by clicking on the B here. I can also make them underlined, like that. And I can also make text italicized. So if I highlight a piece here, I can click on the sideways or the slanty I, and that makes them italicized, just to draw the reader's attention. I can also color things. So if I really like the book, The Hobbit, so I want to make it a different color. So instead of black, I'm going to make it red. So it really jumps out. So those are some of the quick transformations you can do. Oh, last one I should probably mention is if you click on font size, you can make it larger and smaller. So the neat thing, you'll notice right here, it says all changes saved in Drive. While I was making changes, it was automatically saving it to the drive, so I don't have to worry about saving things. So if I'm all done, I can go back. And the way I do that is I click on this arrow here. It takes me back to Google Drive. And then my file, reading assignment, is right here. So if I want to open it up, all I have to do is click on it. It'll bring me back to my editing screen. There it is. Okay, well that's great. I'm going to close that. I'm going to close Google Drive. I'm going to go back to Edmodo. So here I am back at Edmodo. I'm in the links folder. I'm going to go back to my backpack, actually. I'm going to check to see if my left side here into Google Drive. I should be able to find my file. There it is, reading assignment. So if I click on it, I can download it, I can add it to a folder. If I want to just look at it, I can click on it. And there it is. I can view it. I can even make some changes. So if I want to add another book, I can go ahead and do that. And anything I do in here will be saved. So that's how to use Google Drive and Google Docs in Edmodo. Enjoy. Bye-bye.